Hi, I'm Mark Wallace, and I'd like to introduce you to the Tether Table Aero System. The Tether Table Aero was created to allow photographers to shoot tethered both in studio and on location. Now, this is a complete system that allows you to do more than just tethered shooting. Tether Tools allows you to set up your equipment where you want it, when you need it. The Tether Table can be used for tethered shooting or configured for hundreds of custom uses. Let's take a quick look at the basics of tethered shooting. Tethered shooting allows you to connect your camera directly to your computer so you can see your results instantly. Now, tethering has a lot of advantages. You can see your images at full resolution. You can check critical focus. You can back up your images to an external hard drive in real time. Your clients or your creative team can also view images in real time and make image selections or give you feedback so you can get the most out of your shoot. And since your images are on a computer, you can make adjustments to your images during the shoot. Shooting tethered is simple. You just need a camera, a cable to connect your camera to your computer, a computer, and some software. Now, there are a lot of software options for tethered shooting, and some cameras even come with software, so there's nothing extra you have to buy. Now, many photographers choose to use third-party applications like Lightroom, Aperture, or Capture One because they tend to be a bit more powerful than the free software that may come with your camera. Now, today I'm going to use Lightroom to quickly demonstrate how easy it is to shoot tethered. Now, first I've connected my camera to my computer using a Tether Pro USB cable. Now, it's secured by this handy little device called a Jerkstopper that helps keep my cables attached. Now, I have one on my camera and I have one on the cord that's connected to my computer, and now my cables won't accidentally disconnect while I am shooting. Now, what I'm going to do here is I first need to turn on my camera. So my camera's turned on, and then I'll go into Lightroom and just say File, and then Tethered Capture, Start Tethered Capture. Now, it's going to ask me where I want to store these files, and I've already told it where I want those to be, so I'll just hit OK, and I'm ready to go. I just need to take a photo. So I will focus my camera, take a shot, and that photo is going to be directly transferred from my camera right into my computer. And I can have my computer make backup copies in real time. I can specify where I want those images to be stored, and I can even use my computer to trigger the shutter on my camera. It's simple. There's this big button right here on the screen. I just click it, and you can hear that my camera just took a picture. And it's really nice because I can view the images I just shot, I can tag them, I can rate them, and most importantly, I can get a really good view of the images I captured so I can communicate with an assistant or a model or my client about any adjustments we need to make during the shoot. Now, there's a lot more you can do with tethered shooting. What I've shown you here is just the tip of the iceberg to help you get started. Now, to learn more about tethered shooting and get a ton of information about how it can help your photography, make sure you visit the plugging in section of tethertools.com. Let's take a closer look at the Tether Table. The Tether Table Aero is made of aerospace aluminum, so it's very durable, it's really strong, and it's very lightweight. Now, the table comes in various sizes to fit different computers and needs. You can use them to hold a small laptop or a large iMac and everything in between. Now, the table is available in brushed silver like this one and non-reflective black. And every table comes with a custom-sized carrying case for easy portability. Now, the cases are designed to hold the table and all of the Aero accessories so you can keep everything organized. Now, on the bottom of the table is the LAJO-4 Pro Bracket. It gives you 4 mounting options. Let's start with this middle guy right here. This is a 1/4-20 thread. Now, that allows you to attach your tripod plate or mount this to any light stand that has a 1/4-20 thread. Now, there's also a 3/8" tripod mount, so if you want to mount this directly to some tripod legs instead of having a tripod head on your tripod, well, that's a very popular option. And then there's the 5/8" hole for light stands and magic arms and any kind of studio accessory like this light stand right here. It gives you even more options. Well, finally, there's this Arca-style mount for Arca-style heads on tripods. And so you can just click this right on your Arca-style tripod and you're good to go. Now, with the LAJO-4 Pro Bracket, you can mount your Tether Table Aero almost anywhere. Now, to demonstrate the flexibility of the Tether Table Aero, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a totally custom solution using the Aero accessories. Now, the nice thing about the Aero accessories is that they are fully universal and will work with any size table. Now, to start with, I'm going to show you this custom iMac setup right here. Now the base of this is the Aero for the iMac. Now that's this table right here, and it's the same size as the master table, but it includes a secure grip stability bar. Now that holds the iMac base in place, and if you want this table to double as a laptop stand, you just remove the security bar. Now I use the LAJO-4 Pro Bracket's 5/8 inch pin to mount this table on a large rolling stand. Now over here I have a peel-in-place mouse pad, which is micro thin, and it can be adhered anywhere on the table, so it's always there when you need it, and it can be removed and replaced without leaving any sticky residue. To power everything, I've used the Clear Power Surge Protector, and that can be placed anywhere on the bottom of the table to ensure the power supply is always nearby. And finally, I like to integrate my iPad into my workflow, so I'm using the Tether Tools Wallee Connect Kit and a SuperClamp or an Easy Grip clamp, and I can position my iPad conveniently at my workstation as well. Let's take a look at another custom setup. Now for this one, I started with the Tether Table Aero Master in brushed silver. Now this table is also available in black. And on top, I have the Aero Pro Pad. Now the Pro Pad creates a non-slippery surface for a little added security. Now they come in custom sizes for each of the Tether Table platforms. Now for even more security, I'm using this strap right here. This is the Secure Strap. It's an elastic strap that clips right onto the sides of the table, and it's totally adjustable depending on the size of the item that you want to secure. Now I use the LAJO-4 Pro Bracket to mount the table on my Arca-style tripod for easy portability. On the side here we have the XDC Duo, and it attaches to the bottom of the table, and it's held in place by the LAJO-4 Pro Bracket. Now the Duo can hold 2 external hard drives for backing up images as you shoot, and it also comes in a solo XDC size for 1 drive, and there's also a mini size for smaller devices. Now to secure my power adapter, I'm using the Strapmore. Now the Strapmore is an Aero accessory that allows you to secure a power brick or similar device to any tripod or light stand. Now over here I have the Tether Pro Cable, and it's hanging from my Aero Hook. That keeps everything nice and tidy. Now on my Tether Pro Cable, I have my Jerkstoppers, one right here, securing it to the table, and on the other side I have one when I connect it to my camera, and those Jerkstoppers keep my cable from unintentionally being pulled out of my camera or my computer. Now one of my favorite accessories is right here. It's the Aero Cup Holder. Now the Aero Cup Holder clips onto the side of the table, and it's retractable, so you can pull it out when it's in use or slide it under the table when it's not in use. There's one more thing I want to show you. It's this right here. It's the USB LED ProLight. And it plugs right into the computer's USB port, and it helps light up your keyboard, or it also can help you read things in a dark studio. Now the Tether Table Aero system is a simple design that gives you infinite possibilities. The table allows you to have your equipment where you want it, when you need it. In addition to using these tables for tethering, the Tether Table can be configured for hundreds of custom uses. The table can be used as a workstation to hold gear like light meters, gray cards, reference charts, water bottles, and memory cards. You can use it as a lectern for presentations. Use it to support a video or slide projector. It can be used as a portable makeup table. The Tether Table can even be configured as a portable workstation for your iMac. The table can be configured to meet the needs of almost any scenario. For more information, visit tethertools.com.